Hey guys, it's Randy with Hanley Digital Consulting. We spoke with you earlier about a quick video on how to help bring more customers to your business with a better online presence. So in this video, there's going to be some really cool tips, and I just want you to keep in mind, even if you're not interested in my services, I'd really like to get your feedback. So I'm looking at your website, and I noticed a couple things that we can work on to help bring more traffic to your website, and obviously more revenue to your business. So there's 3 ways that we could do this. It's with content, backlinks, and citations. So content is what I'm referring to as words and images. We want around 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and we want around 10 to 15 pictures on your homepage also. And when we're saving these pictures, we want to make sure we save the pictures the right way. We want to save them with those high volume keywords that are, that are buyer intent keywords. So words that people are searching for to find your business. So we want to make sure that we're saving all these pictures the right way, and we also want to make sure that our content is bolded and highlighted and interlinked between all the different pages on our website, so people can click on them, whether it's power washing, granite marble installation, and so on. So we want really most of these words in our content, and we want them to have the service areas behind it, whether it's Shreveport or Bossier, so that when people type it in, it will pop up, and that'll really help you guys get found a lot easier. So the second thing we wanted to go over is backlinks and referring domains. So backlinks and referring domains is basically anywhere one website refers to another website. Google looks at this to see if the website is trustworthy or not. So the more trust Google has, the higher to rank your website. And how we do this is I can pull up this tool. It's called Eris, and it shows me everything that's going on the backside of your website. So you guys are bringing in around 71 views a month. You have 136 keywords. And around 1,700 backlinks, and you have a domain rating of 8 out of 100. So what we need to really focus on here is trying to 10x this number, try to get around 700-800 views a month. So that way, if we're converting only 10%, we're getting around 60 to 70 jobs a month, and that would really bring up the revenue on a monthly basis for you guys. And how we would do this is we would go in here and find the backlinks that are helping you, and they're not all created equal. This one's a 4 out of 100, a 53 out of 100. And it's bringing around 14 views a month. So what we need to do is go in and find some better backlinks for you guys, and this will bring in a lot more traffic for you. And how we do this is we'll go over here to a competitor of yours. This is Keystone Roofing, and we'll go check out the backside of their website, and they're bringing in around 137 views. So we can go in here and get some of their backlinks that are helping them in roofing, and these views right here would really help you guys a lot. This is 66, so just in this couple right here, you're looking at almost 80 to 100 views right here just off of these 4 or 5 backlinks. So we could put them on the back end of your website, and then we'd go out and get some more referring domains, and that would really help you guys. Here's another one of your competitors. This is the Cottage. The Cottage has 101 views, and they have 854 backlinks. So again, we would just go in here and find the backlinks and the referring domains and organic keywords that are helping them, and we would put them on your website, and find those buyer intent keywords and make sure that they're in your website and bolded and interlinked and everything, so that it helps Google find your website a lot easier, and you can get a lot more views to your website. So another thing I want to show you on your keywords, we'll see what kind of views you're getting from the words that you have. So most of these are your names, so that's good that you have your name in here. Shreveport Home Remodeling, it's got a volume of 30. You're getting about 4 views from this, and you're ranked 2nd, so that's good. But window replacement, you're ranked 9th, so you're on almost the 2nd page, and you're getting 0.1. So if we can get you ranked in the top 3 right here, we could look at about 10 to 15 views from this one too. And we would just go down the list and find those keywords that people are looking for. Kitchen remodeling in Shreveport, it's got a volume of 70, it's 0, and you're ranked 13th, which is the 2nd page, and you're not really getting any views from it. So if we can get you in the top 3, you're looking at about 15 to 20 views from that right there. So that's really what our goal is to go out and find those high volume keywords with the low KD in it, and get you ranked in these keywords so we can bring up the volume. So with these right here, if we could get you 15 to 20% of all these right here, you're looking at about 200 views a month just in those right there. So that would really help you guys a lot. So the last thing I want to go over is citations. So citations are basically anywhere a business name and number appear in registries like Yelp and Yellow Pages. So the more we can get, the greater chances you have of getting ranked in a Google Map Pack. and this right here is a Google Map app. So right here you're not ranked in the top 3, and this is where about 70% of all the views come from and all the clicks come from. Most people don't go searching through here. They just click on the top 3. So if we can get you up here, this would really increase the amount of volume coming to your website. So with that being said, just make sure we're focusing on content, saving our pictures right, add some more content to your homepage, go out there and get those backlinks and referring domains, and then go out and get some more citations, and this will really help you guys get ranked higher on your website so you can bring in more money for your website and not have to do as many cold calls or referral of mouth. So again, if there's any questions you guys have, feel free to give us a call, and we'd be happy to help you in any way we can, which trying to fix your website and help you guys bring in more money from your website. So thanks again for watching. I hope you guys have a good day. Thanks.